Hi there, Retro Tech Ralph. Not exactly retro tech, but I'm going to do a little review on this. I got this for another Christmas present. Did need one, shall we say. I do brush my teeth. Oral hygiene is quite important, especially at my time of life where, yeah, anything can happen. So this is the 9000 Genius Oral-B with Bluetooth and what? Position detection? I don't know. I've had before, right, I'll do a compare. My old toothbrush, I think that's a Triumph Oral-B. Now, I'll do a separate, I want to do a separate review on how to take one of these to pieces, and at the minute, when I'll be using that one, it'll be a perfect opportunity to do it, because this, I've had this for about 9 years now, and that used to have like a rubberized sort of plastic on it, which, yeah, it's kind of going away on the front as well. I think it's just time and age. Don't know, it's been stuck in a oh, that's really unsealed now, isn't it? Luckily it's gone. Luckily I got a new one back now. So it's time, age, and rubber just goes, because this kind of feels really, really horrible, tacky, not sticky. So that was my original one. It gets mucky and gets all sorts, changed the heads a million times, but it's been nothing more than bloody useful, chuffing useful. It's some really good cleans out on these, the Triumph ones. But compare with that one, I actually bought my partner one of these. I think this is the 5000, 6000, I think it is. It doesn't say. But black, colour change on the top, different types of cleaning. What you got on this one? Clean, soft, massage. I do prefer this one because it has a display on it. This one is Bluetoothed to your phone, so I'm not keen on taking a toothbrush in to the a phone in the bathroom with you. But that's the way they go to get away with. We had a model, I think, round this one. It comes up with a display on it. I liked having a clock in the bathroom. But let's get on with the unboxing. Right, nice little tab there. Some magnets on here for opening up, keeping it closed. Display. Looks kind of funky, although I can't get in. That is absolutely a waste of time, that flap, because you open the side, and out comes that. Really, that is a waste of time on the flap. That's just packaging for the shop to hold it out like that. So, what you get: instructions for the 8000 and 9000 series in plenty of languages, including Portuguese. Splash, splash, put it on, charge up. You know how these work. Right, she bought me them. They've got the white model. That's nice. That's a very different one, that one. I mean, kind of, it's virtually, it is exactly the same. The black one. Let me just see if what one that black one actually is. So I've had a look on the site. It looks like it's either an 8000 or a 9000 that I must have bought quite a few years ago. So it's kind of, if it is the same, that's kind of a bit mucky, but brand new and a couple of years old. So yeah, let's go through how these things, what comes with this main part there. You can't really see that, to be honest. It's white with there's not even a light on. See, there's a light on, but it's not there. It is actually showing a bit better, actually. So light silver on the front, two buttons on the front there. So I've got some charging there. Why would I want to brush my tongue? So you come with the base unit, come with this funky white thing, which is USB charger holder for everything. So it looks like your base will go in there. You can then power cable in, and I think you can use it as a power bank as well. You can charge something up, or you can use this as a USB to charge the actual base up. As well, you've got your phone on there. Let's have a look. Does that actually go? Yeah, you store your phone on there as you're faffing around, really. Don't charge it on there, it's not a wireless plate or anything. So, yeah. Underneath the boxing, nothing in the cardboard. Right, we come to suction plate, or suction cup for a phone holder, which is stuck in the bag. So your suction cup goes on there, you lock it in place, you get your, on a spring on there, there's no release catch on there, so you wind it up, put your phone in, hold it in place while you're brushing your teeth. So you can use the phone as a display to know where and when you're supposed to be brushing your teeth. Standard charger, which comes with these, power socket there, which will plug into the base underneath here, because it's got an oval socket there with a standard socket, which I'll have to get adapted to UK, which is fine, it's not a problem. One precision brush, one little brush, one, is that a different type again? Oh, same as that one. That looks fluffy. So it's so far come with 4 different brush heads, which ain't bad, keeps me going. Holder for this, so you'd probably put year's warranty with this. That's probably your stand, you put all your heads in there, which is great if you've got a family, a few kids. Open her up, change your toothbrush head over, close it up. Right, a second charger on here, if I can get in. Actually, 2 different connectors. These are, oh they're not, they're exactly the same. That just feels a lot thinner with a travel connector, which will plug into any standard hotel, washroom, bathroom socket to charge up via that without having to take this with you. Oh, you just take this with you. Sits it on the side, and then it's an induction plate, same as with the wireless telephones, to charge those, and just charges up as standard. This will fit into here from the last type, so you've got the stand there, charging up, and that stand sits in and does all your charging for you without having to plug anything in, completely sealed in, watertight. And there's also a reason why that's there as well, because when you go inside you use that as a screwdriver, which I won't be doing on this one, but I will be doing on the other one. So my old head over, this is from the old Triumph one, fits absolutely perfectly on. Good thing about these is they're just completely interchangeable with each other. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Now what I want to do is actually pair this up, because you can change the light on this. So I'm going to get my phone out, get the app on, and see if I can get this paired up. Give me a second. Right, I've just installed the app. Takes 92, 93 meg if you've got that. If you haven't, go on a Wi-Fi. Right, straight away you load up on the app, it's here. Look for the Bluetooth symbol on your toothbrush. Yes. Press the power button to turn it on. Yeah, I'll allow that. Find your toothbrush, turn it off. Okay, pairing is going on. Oh, hello. Synchronizing previous sessions. What previous sessions? This is a second-hand brush. That's the case, not the Amazon. Oh, okay. I can do different colours. Let's go for a blue because I'm a boy. Light blue? Ooh, that's white more than anything. Purple, pink, purple, orange, blue. Okay, cool. That's not very, it's like cyan, but it's not. That's a bit more green. Just behind here as well, so that's not bad. Nice light blue. Continue to app. Also be smart to experience showing gubbins. Make sure you use your, buy our product. Yes, we're buying it. Get started. We bought it. Years warranty. Continuous timer. No timer. Right. Make the most of your gum guard. So you obviously got this attached onto your phone holder in the bathroom. To the most of your gum guard. Test the brushing. Start. Allow. Brushing habit. What? Is that going to assess me? Bad me. Okay, I'm not going to go through a full brushing session with you now. Which hand do you brush with? Well, right-handed. Position your phone upright. Basically, one of the good things about this, and I do brush heavily myself, is you press, and if you do too much, it will protect your gums, so you're not going to brush too hard. But I do enjoy brushing quite deep when I'm having a go. Anyway, so I've got my phone upright. Tick. Right, align with face. Oh, bugger off. So he wants me to align with the face now. So, yeah, you know how to brush. If you want to use the app, fine. If not, I don't want to. So I'll be just using the brush as is. Different settings. Actually, that's probably a better one to run on anyway, with the plus. Gives a bit more harder brushing. It's like a hard one, thank you. Anyway, if this hasn't convinced you to buy one of these, then don't. Go buy something else. If not, I'm thumbs up for me, because to be honest, my old one is, yeah, dead. So, thanks for watching. If you like that, please, whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.